Hey, look, your shoes looking beautiful.
It's really nice. Look at that.
It should be like a professional studio like that.
You should have seen me earlier on.
Really?
I was stressed out earlier on.
Lovely, it?
That's so nice. It feels very welcoming, doesn't it?
It does.
And it's a warm studio. I don't know if yours is warm.
Mine is warm, yeah.
Yeah, it must be downstairs.
Can you go in there to get a bit hot?
Yeah, I could do, but I quite enjoy it.
Alright.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. That's that surfboard.
Yeah.
Got it on. That's nice. Beautiful,
Oh,
beautiful.
thank you.
Yeah.
All right, Neil, how you doing? This is Neil Thomas, artist in Krowji, and just set up for his open studios.
Yeah, it's going alright. It's like, yeah, I've got a lot of work done today, so yeah, I'm all ready for the open studios, and yeah, it's my artwork is just really, like, I'm really enjoying where I am at the moment with my artwork, doing what I'm doing, my painting. It's beautiful. It's making me feel really happy because I went for a bit of a depression and ended up doing a few paintings that were quite dark, but then I got back to my original colourful work, and I feel a lot better in that headspace.
Brilliant.
So yeah,
it's a great.
Yeah, like these little ones here, the ones where I was going through a bit of depression for a few weeks.
Yeah,
it comes out in your work really.
It does really, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice work there, Neil.
Yeah,
all set up.
Thank you. Yeah.
Looking great. So good luck, and we'll catch up with you later.
Nice one.
All right.
Cheers.
These look great. Oh, I'm swinging around that way.
Got the wrong clothes on.
You're in. They don't read now, it's alright. It's mainly about the work, really.
Tidying up. It's still work in progress.
It's great. It looks really nice. It smells good.
Yeah.
It smells great. Okay, Trudie, I'll see you later. That's alright. Hello.
Yeah, I've been really busy.
Looks nice.
Chat. I've not really finished yet.
You haven't finished yet?
I'm not quite finished, but I'm getting there. Some like indentations of this like oval.
Nice. Stick those and keep them in place
Yeah.
your lights.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I've got, I don't know, like a bit of tape or something. A clip will do. Yeah.
Or like a
Or a Jubilee clip or something.
and here's Kaz getting ready for Open Studios. Hello.
Hi.
Lovely work.
Thank you.
Andrew!
How you doing?
Oh, mate.
Nice.
How's it going?
Bit of painting going on. That's great.
Yeah. Nice and enjoyable.
I like these abstracts up there as well. They're really